I walked down that little area there. And let me see if I can get you a better look here. Yeah, so I basically walked down that path. I had to be very careful not to trip over any of the roots. Alright, but here I am. And you can see the water kind of going by. Really beautiful. I really like this, yeah, you can see it right there moving, if I get a little bit closer. Yeah, it's flowing through pretty good. I really like this coffee tea stained water. Huh, you can see kind of a leaf floating by every once in a while. The color of the water is due to the tannins that come off the leaves and foliage that falls into the water. But it's really something. And it looks like some kids do swing across here and play in this water, so yeah. Really quite nice. As a kid, I would have been pretty fascinated by all this. Yeah. The urge to... It is very humid. It's October 21st, my birthday. But it is very humid and warm here. So the urge to jump in the water and cool off is very strong. Wish I had a little canoe or something. That would be really cool. Wow, it really goes down quite a ways.